Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is another gorgeous sunny day and I am cooking up a feast for some friends. And one of the things which is really key if you are cooking a feast or a big meal is something to enjoy all the curries or the food with. It could be any sort of flatbreads or rice. And today I'm making a super simple but so flavorful cumin rice. It cannot get easier, and once you've made this you'll know what difference it is between just plain rice and cumin rice. And this recipe is from my brand new book, Chetna's Indian Feast. There it is, and this is what I am cooking today. So let's get started because it's a super quick recipe. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. So here I have got 300 grams of lovely basmati rice, and first of all I'm just going to give it a good wash. So I've got a nice pan, I've got my spices ready, and I have washed my rice. All that's left to do is chop up a handful of fresh coriander. I know this is looking a slightly bit sad, but never mind, it is still not dead, and I'm just going to chop a good handful. The combination of coriander and cumin is classic, and there is a reason for it because it really is heavenly. The fragrance of this fresh herb and the earthiness of cumin is just match made in heaven. Right, time to get cooking. Get this pan nice and hot. So in goes a tablespoon of sunflower oil or rapeseed oil. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of homemade beautiful ghee. You can check out the recipe on the channel. That's going to add the lovely base. You can keep it vegan by only adding oil. And now the cumin, because it's cumin rice, so not 1 but 2 teaspoons of cumin. Let it sizzle and release its flavor in the oil. Next, I'm going to lower the heat and add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, because there's lots of water, there's lots of rice, and in goes lovely washed rice. And now, to make the cumin flavor even deeper, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, and our chopped up coriander leaves, and let it kind of absorb the flavor nicely. Beautiful. Smells unreal. Now I have got 700 ml of boiling water. Put it in this so I can get all the rice out. Right, a good mix, and now I'm going to cover this with the lid and cook this undisturbed on low heat for 15 minutes. In that time, I can tidy all the stuff. Now it's time to check it out. I just want to say how amazing this smells. The kitchen is just smelling so inviting right now. I can't tell you. I wish there was a smell-o-vision, but there isn't. So you have to take my word for it. Right, going in. Oh my God. I know I don't say this often. This reminds me of home, like properly sitting at home in India, and that flavor just hits you. And to think of it, there's hardly any things in it, but the combination of cumin and rice is really a match made in heaven. I really hope you will give this a go. And I know in the beginning I said I'm making this as a side dish to serve it with any dals and chicken curries and veg curries, anything, but this is so good on its own. And I have made a lovely raita, which is a yogurt side dish, Indian side dish to go with this. Both these recipes are in my new book, Chetna's Indian Feast, so check out all the details in the description. I really hope you'll try this. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.